Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V40s, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, so let me do it. And here all we have to do is to simply tap on the three dots in the right upper corner. Right now I've got this, let's say, red arrow icon because I need to update my Chrome, but no worries, trust me, here we've got the three dots icon. So now let's enter the history. And as you can see, right here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. And if you want to, if for example your list is quite short, just like in my case, then you can remove them just by tapping on this X button right next to the particular website. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data to do it automatically. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookie sensor data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. I will mark everything, so I want to remove everything. And here we've got the time range, so we can change it from last hour to, for example, last 7 days, or even all time. So now all we have to do is to tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we successfully removed actually everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your ZTE Blade V40s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.